Don't underestimate this pile of old cars. I am telling you, even an Audi A6 might not compare. And don't look down on this old black iron body, because there are barely a few aluminum saunas left in the whole country. Back then, any car with a black plate had its own story. But now the paint is peeling and the whole car is falling apart. What I want is not just a simple repair. I will completely strip it down from the engine to the body shell and chassis for an epic rebuild, bringing this rare black plate Santana back to life once again. First, let's pull out this old engine and see what kind of condition it is hiding inside. Get off the engine. The engine is leaking badly and covered in decades of thick oil sludge. Next, we will fully disassemble and restore it, giving it a complete deep clean. The engine disassembly is complete and the internal wear is severe, with the bearing layers already completely worn out. The technicians are now checking and listing all damaged parts while we use this time to completely strip out the interior. Everything is fully prepared. Now everyone takes their position and the assembly begins. The engine restoration is complete, and this 30-year-old heart is fully revived. Now we begin restoring and organizing the wiring system. We scrape off the old factory asphalt insulation and completely remove 30 years of trapped old odors. There are many rusted-through areas on the chassis, so we first cut out the damaged sections and weld in new metal to restore this old frame properly. The whole car is covered with thick body filler, so we grind it all off and redo the anti-rust treatment from scratch. Next comes the highlight of this restoration, full-body electrophoresis. This is the soul of modern car manufacturing and also the highest standard for classic car restoration. First, we begin the degreasing process to remove all oil dirt and impurities from the car body. Rinse with water to remove residual chemicals. Next comes surface conditioning to optimize the metal surface and ensure the following conversion coating bonds evenly and perfectly across the entire body. The ceramic treatment forms a nano-level ceramic conversion coating on the metal surface, improving paint adhesion and greatly increasing rust protection strength, washing away residual chemicals. A pure water rinse is used for the final cleaning process, preventing impurities and watermarks from affecting the quality of the electrophoresis coating. Now the electrophoresis process begins. Electric current allows the coating to evenly deposit across the metal surface, forming a corrosion-resistant primer that protects the entire body inside and out. The body now enters the baking chamber, where the electrophoresis coating is cured under high temperature, allowing it to fully bond and harden permanently. The body returns after electrophoresis and now receives BASF premium water-based paint, delivering perfect gloss depth and finish in one complete process. Are you satisfied with this result? Chassis disassembly begins. After full disassembly, all parts are sandblasted to remove rust layer by layer, stripping everything back to bare metal and starting completely from zero. We replace the shock absorbers, which are also heavily aged, then apply rust remover to slowly break down 30 years of corrosion and buildup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.